We'll guide you through how to share and use PC internet on a mobile using the Hotspot. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So perhaps you've got an internet connection on your computer and you want to go and give that on to your mobile. We'll guide you through this, whether it's an iPhone, it's an Android, it doesn't matter. We're going to guide you through this step by step. So make sure it's a full guide so you know exactly what you need to do. To get started, come to the bottom of your computer. There you can go and press the Windows Start button and this will pop up and you want to go and find the option for settings, or you can search for settings at the top here. Go and open it up. Now in here you want to go and head to the left and find the option for network and internet, and you want to go and click there like so. And in here you want to make sure you have got Wi-Fi. That's important to know. If you don't, you'll need to have a Wi-Fi adapter in order to go and do this. You can go and get one online. We'll link some down below. Now what you can do is go and find the option for mobile hotspot and you want to go and click on it. Now we can go through here. So you can choose where you're sharing your internet connection from. It could be Ethernet. If you're connected to a Wi-Fi network, you can also choose Wi-Fi from here as well. You can then go and choose what you're going to share it over. That could be Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. So that's going to be up to you. I like to go and use Wi-Fi. And then what you can do is you can go and see the network properties. That's going to be the name of the Wi-Fi, the password. And then what you can do is go and switch this on like so. Here we are on my mobile, but this could be an iPhone or an Android, it doesn't matter. What we need to do is go and head to the settings. So you can go and swipe up and you can press search at the top and type in settings or go and find it. Then you want to come into connections. On an iPhone, it's just Wi-Fi at the top. Then we can find Wi-Fi. Now it's going to go and start searching and you can go and find your computer or PC. It says the name on the settings page on our computer and enter in the password shown on our settings page on the computer. Go and press connect and then you can go and wait, and that's it. We're now using it.